Hey, Puppy Trades! I want to do a video analysis update. We're going to talk about something that's important to this channel making money. Making money, honey. Somebody said, I didn't tell them to do it. Not me. Nah, it couldn't be me. Somebody said they invested $200,000 in the first Majestic Silver when it was in the 12 range. Wanted to know what I thought it was going to do. I told them, I'm not giving you investment advice, but I think First Majestic Silver is going to go to the median of this Andrews pitchfork, found by starting at the beginning of wave 1 with the high of wave 1 and the low of wave 2. And then we have another 1 and a 2, and another 1 and a 2. And we already saw Pan American Silver explode above this high. So why can't First Majestic Silver at least follow PAAS? Tongue twister of a ticker right there. Pass. Why can't we see First Majestic Silver follow Pan American Silver above this high at the bare minimum? But what could really happen is that's where wave 3 ends before a shallow wave 4 and a wave 5 higher. If wave 4 retests the wave 1 high and wave 5 is the length of wave 1 placed at the wave 4 low, First Majestic Silver can go to 43. Really, it can go to the lower bound and then the median of this pitchfork. And if you think that's funny, this was the pitchfork for silver. We're not too far from the median now, are we, smarty pants? We're not too far from the median now. Pan American Silver. Bubba, bang. This thing can go to Van Halen. And notice this large wave 1, ABC wave 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, wave 3 of wave 3. Very similar to Freeport-McMoran. I mean, people want to know about making money. I don't know how to make money. But I do know how to do some Elliott Wave. I don't know how to make money for other people. I know how to make money for myself, but I'm pretty good at Elliott Wave. And we can see this is my untouched chart of Pan American Silver, PAAS. So I told that guy at the very minimum we could see First Majestic Silver break above this high from late 2020, early 2021. Here's my untouched chart of SILJ. I talked about this ETF today. SLJY, the out of the money covered call ETF from Amplify. Very interesting, very interesting. If we want to analyze SLJY, what can we do? We can go to the ETF total return calculator. See what happens when we blindly average in 8,000. 146% total annualized return. So we can make some money, honey. And we can see SLJY run to the median of this Andrews pitchfork. We can see this is wave 3. This is wave 4. SLJY can pay a dividend along the way, as wave 5 is the length of wave 3. Place at the wave 4 low. And SLJY runs to 37, the median of the Andrews pitchfork. To complete 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That'd be a large wave 3. And don't be surprised. I know this is getting a little crazy, But look at First Majestic Silver. If you really want to know what I think could happen, this count could be too conservative. This could be 1, 2, 1, 2, wave 3 of wave 3. In that case, 37 is just the minimum target. We have a shallow wave 4 that retests the wave 1 high. Wave 5 is the length of wave 1, placed at the wave 4 low. SLJY goes to 43. First Majestic Silver goes to 43. So we got to talk about making money. You know, silver could explode. I think that the corollary for First Majestic Silver in the gold market is B2 gold. Because if we do see silver have a runaway train, B2 gold and gold itself is not going to be left behind. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, wave 1, wave 2, wave 1, ABC wave 2, possibly small wave 1, small wave 2, above 3.71. We can see wave 3 of wave 3 of wave 3 be entered. A break above 7.50 is the minimum target before a shallow wave 4 and a wave 5 higher. Wave 4 retests the wave 1 high. Wave 5 is the length of wave 1 placed at the wave 4 low. That gives a target of 13 for B2 gold. So I think B2 gold could be the First Majestic Silver of gold. Freeport-McMoran forms a large wave 1, ABC wave 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, wave 1, wave 2, wave 1, wave 2, wave 1, wave 2, wave 3 of wave 3 of wave 3 to be entered, taking Freeport-McMoran to 67 before a shallow wave 4 and a wave 5 higher. If wave 4 retests the wave 1 high and wave 5 is the length of wave 1 placed at the wave 4 low, Freeport-McMoran FCX can go to 85. In the bigger picture, the length of wave 1 placed at the wave 2 low takes Freeport-McMoran to 73 before a shallow wave 4 and a wave 5 higher. If wave 4 retests the wave 1 high and wave 5 is the length of wave 1, placed at the wave 4 low, Freeport-McMoran FCX is going to 100. So I really like FCX. It's at minimum going to the median of that pitchfork, probably the upper bound. Let's look at Robinhood. Interesting chart. Bang. Wave 1, wave 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Another wave 1, wave 2. Wave 3 of wave 3 explodes. Shallow wave 4. And then bang. Wave 5 is the length of wave 1, placed at the wave 4 low. It goes and hits the target perfectly and pulls back. What I think happened is that was the end of a large wave 3 in red. This is a shallow wave 4 correction. And we got to find the wave 5 target. This is why wave theorists sometimes won't post about a stock, because the wave 5 target's a tricky SOB, and sometimes it can say crazy things. Crazy, but that's how it goes. Millions of people live on the ropes. Anyway, wave 1, wave 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. Large wave 3 ends, ABC wave 4. So we got to find the wave 5 target. Well, it can't be the length of wave 1. Place at the wave 4 low. That wouldn't get us anywhere. What it probably is the length of wave 3. Place at the wave 4 low. That could take Robinhood way up to 248. 248. That's a crazy target. And it's a little ridiculous. But if we look at the short term, here's what's probably going on more reliably. We measure this. $139.75. $102.10. Robinhood's probably gonna go wave 1, wave 2. So this would be the big buy area for wave 3. Puppy trades. Puppy trades. I can't wait for the 61.8% retracement. Puppy trades. Puppy trades. I gotta act now. You said it's possible that Robinhood can go to 250. It's at 123. That thing can double. I like the fundamentals. Blah, blah, blah. All right. What could be done is a potentially delta neutral trade could be taken where 25% HOOZ is paired with 80% HOOY. So 80% HOOY is this ETF from YieldMax, the out of the money covered call ETF. It's got 125% dividend yield paid weekly. I already invest in this. By the way, I own this. I'm thinking about doing this for myself. 80% of this can be paired with 25% of this ETF, which says don't hold it for the long term because over the big term, there's going to be decay because it's a leveraged ETF. But HOOZ shorts Robinhood with 2x leverage. So 20% of that ETF could be paired with 80% of the out of the money synthetic covered call ETF HOOY from YieldMax. That would be about over 100% dividend yield for the entire trade. Now, when someone invests $8,000 in the HOOY from 6/6/25 to today 12/11/25, $8,000 turns into $12,170. So that pays for more than the whole pair. So even if HOZ goes to zero, it would pay for more than the whole pair if $2,000 was invested in the HOZ and $8,000 was invested in the HOY. But what I think is going to happen, this is wave 1 and wave 2. Robinhood dips down to the 61.8% retracement of 616. I measure the fibs. It looks something like this. Wave 3 goes up to 154 before a shallow wave 4 and a wave 5 higher. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wave 5 will be the length of wave 1 placed at the wave 4 low. Wave 4 resets the wave 1 high, and wave 5 is the length of wave 1 placed at the wave 4 low. Robinhood goes up to 176. So 176 is a pretty important target. Wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, up to at least 155. Even 165 is pretty reliably going to be hit before a shallow wave 4 and a wave 5 higher. So that's Robinhood. Let's look at Etsy. Etsy goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, large wave 1, ABC wave 2, small wave 1, small wave 2, large wave 3 is expected. Good thumbnail. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, wave 1. Wave 2, past the 78.6% retracement. Better thumbnail. Small wave 1, small wave 2. 40.05 is too wide. You want to find the perfect stop loss. Take the 78.6% retracement. $76.52. $40.05. And then the 78.6% retracement is 47.85. So above 47.85, it can look something like this. Small wave 1, small wave 2, wave 3 up to 99, shallow wave 4, and wave 5 higher. But the big picture is above 47.85. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, of wave 3 up to a new all-time high.